Secretary of State Marco Rubio says visas were revoked for international students who protested the war in Gaza or who faced charges. But most international students who lost their visa status were never told why. The international student, who does not want to be identified, got an email from the Roux Institute that their student visa had been terminated. The student says, as a result, I can no longer go to class or work. I have had to stop being involved in my community and had to cancel my plans to visit my family this spring.
These are students who weren't participating in any protests. They weren't writing any letters. They were just going about their lives. They don't know what's going on. They don't know why this happened to them. They can't go to class, they can't go to the lab, and it's really unfair.
The ACLU filed suit on behalf of 4 international students in New England, challenging the Trump administration's unilateral termination of student visas. Judges around the country had already issued temporary orders restoring the visa status records, which were removed from a federal database. A lawyer for the federal government says U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement is manually restoring the records of every international student. But ACLU of Maine says it has yet to get confirmation.
In fact, just this morning, we were in front of a judge talking about scheduling, and the Department of Justice didn't mention anything about changing their position. If they do reverse course, they should really apologize to these students. And this action by the government has thrown their lives into total disarray.
Northeastern's Roux Institute declined to comment. Most of these terminations were discovered by schools during routine tests of the International Student Database. In Portland, Brad Rogers, CBS 13 News.